we want to show how to approach, a different cuisine or a different culture is by being open to it. My name is Alex Martin.
My name is Yotaka Martin.
And we're the owners of Lom Wong in downtown Phoenix. I was a student in Thailand 20 years ago now. Sunny is from Ban San Maket in Chiang Rai. When we moved back to the USA, we wanted to remain connected to the communities that we lived and worked. When we decided, hey, food would be a great medium to keep that connection alive.
I believe the food come out from your emotional, your hand. Is what I believe. Every dish for me, you have to be patient because you cannot rush when you're cooking. I will use high heat because when we put all the herb in there, the smells come out. This is our curry powder. So when you smell the curry powder, I will lower this down a little bit and put with the water. Add 2 eggs. Pu Pad Pong Curry is stir-fried crab with the curry powder. Lamb crab. The house sauce for the crab curry. Basic on soy sauce and oyster sauce.
The dishes that we cook all have real people and real stories behind them.
It's my mom's recipe. I can eat that dish every day.
The menu is divided into 3 regions: Sunny's Village, my Thai grandma Wan Pen, and we cook food from the Moklin, an indigenous semi-seafaring community.
So the flavor in here is going to be spicy, creamy, and not too much sweet because I want you to taste the curry paste that we make. A Moklin curry is a sea bat curry. We stay with them and we learn the recipe from them and want to share the culture. We use the palm sugar because the sweetness of the palm sugar and the regular sugar is different. Coconut cream, makrut lime. If you are not sure verify, this can be bitter.
This is the pith from a makrut lime. We've scoured, honestly, the USA to get this. This has an herbaceous flavor, but there's a little note of tangerine in there. This is probably the most difficult ingredient for us to get. The food in Thailand is so captivating. The connection to different food, different land, and just the flavors are unreal. These are spices that Sunny's mom sends from northern Thailand. Makwan and deeply very unique to northern Thailand. We just wanted to kind of write a love letter to Sunny's Village in restaurant bar form. So all the flavors of the cocktails are really unique to Thailand. We do a lot of charcoal grilling and mugatat, which is always a celebration with families. Mugatat is a charcoal grill that is domed. You've got this moat for broth. And so to lubricate the grill, we just use some pork fat. Some coriander marinated beef right here. And some black pepper chicken, as well as soy marinated pork. We actually import this charcoal from Thailand. The moat has broth where all the drippings from that meat drip down. So as you cook more and more, the soup just gets better and better. Every time I go to Thailand, I learn a lot more. Get a little of the egg, get a little of the veggies, and you got yourself a little meal right there. Dip it in some sauce. One of my favorite meals on earth.
I think I'm lucky this when I met him, he's already know how to cook Thai food. And he know a lot of the Thai food and the flavor. And thank you, Wan Pen, for teaching me him.
You can never know the extent of the diversity of Thai food. There's always something to uncover. We want to show how to approach a different cuisine or a different culture is by being open to it, wanting to try new things and have a little bit of an adventure or exploration.